swear, I live like a frat boy. Hello divas and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. The time has come. I'm going to tackle the closet organization. I don't even know how it got like this because it was actually really organized, and then I don't even know. Not even gonna make an excuse. So when I organize things, I want to start by putting all the like things together. So I'm going to put all of the laundry detergents together, anything that has to do with laundry together, all the cleaning things together, and yeah, I'll just kind of see how we go from there because this closet's a hot mess. So this is the closet all cleaned out, except for, that's a drying rack that goes over the side of the bathtub, and that is a bag that you can collect shells in on the beach, and you could also use it for laundry if you wanted to, but I'm not going to take those out of there because there's really no point. Plus they're like in there really nicely, so I'm just going to leave that in there. I need to vacuum the floor and yeah, probably wipe down the shelves, but you see I have some nice hooks in there. So at one time it was really organized. It just kind of wasn't organized all of a sudden. So anyway, let's look at all the stuff that I took out of the closet. So this is everything that came out of the closet. The trash can. This is all laundry. Medical things or sick, like if you're sick, whatever. Anyway, my dry cast for my cast protector from when I had my feet done. There's a heating pad, ice pack holders, a bunch of stuff underneath there. Light bulbs here. And here's all the cleaning stuff. Not that bag of wood, not that bucket of wood, but that's all the cleaning stuff. I don't even know where this stuff came from. Seriously, I don't even remember where half of this stuff came from. So clearly I'm a hoarder. Hi, my name's Heather. I'm a hoarder. Welcome, Heather. Anyway, I also have some rando. I found a hammer in there and a couple of boxes from my selfie ring light and the lights that I used on my vanity. There's a bag that I've used at the beach before. It's been on vacation a couple times. And there's some rando Velcro. So yeah, Lord, where does all this stuff come from? So now that I have it organized by like kind of group, now I need to go through and get rid of the stuff that isn't worth keeping anymore And I know there's some stuff in there that isn't worth keeping. And then try to get it organized so that it can go back into the closet. And you saw that those shelves are the wire shelves, so unless like something small, it has to be inside of a basket or a box of some sort, because otherwise it will fall through and just be on the floor. So yeah. First, I need to vacuum out the closet really well, and then I can start thinking about going through everything out here and then think about putting it back in. So this is everything that's going back in the closet. There's all my laundry stuff, trash can, there's all the cleaning stuff. This is like medical first aid things. And I do have a few like cleaning tools, instruments, I don't know what you call them, that go back in there as well. So yeah. Let's get to getting this stuff put away. Just can't wait. So on the top I have like first aid things, some Swiffer stuff, and then anything I use on my floor. And also my dusting stuff is back there. So might have to move the dusting stuff to this basket. Anyway, so this is my all-purpose cleaner, glass cleaner, bathtub cleaner, appliance descaler. I have some toilet stuff back there. I need to use these up, so I probably should just put them in my bathroom so I can wipe off the vanity every day. There's all my cleaning cloths. I have some dry out bags. I'm gonna hold on to those. That's the pad that goes to my floor cleaner, which is this red thing. It's from O-Cedar. And on the bottom, it's my random laundry stuff. Also, this is a charger to my Spin Scrub Pro, which is right here. Funnel, just in case I need to like pour something from one container to another. And then my laundry detergent and my bleach. And on the bottom, I have my brushes for cleaning. The thing that I use to clean my blinds. paper towel, or not the paper towels. Yeah. The light bulbs, the cast protector, and if I need to use this dishpan to clean something out, then I can use that. This is my duster. I have really tall ceilings, so I use that to get any like cobwebs or anything. And again, there's a Spin Scrub Pro. Love that thing. And this is my grabber thing. I can't remember what it's called, but I got it at Walmart. It's great. If I drop something behind or on the side of the dishwasher, or not the dishwasher, if I drop something on the side of the washing machine, or if I drop something behind my dresser, I use this to get it out. And then I have my laundry bags. So yeah, yay, it's done. Look at it, it's a beaut. It's nice, I can close the door on it. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video, a little diva organization, a little diva DIY. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe so you get notifications every time I post a new video. And I will be back with you again. Thanks a lot. Bye.